How you doing, guys? We're here to tell you about the power steering pulley. This baby right here. This is the power steering pump. We're gonna put this baby right in there. We're gonna use this kit right here. You go to Auto Parts and you rent it for $50. Is power steering and alternator pulley installer kit. So it has different screws to remove it or to put it on. I'm gonna show you how I did it by hand. All right, so first of all, I'm gonna show you at the end. You see one of these screws. So you put the screw right over here, and then you put this silver part, and then it comes like a nut that you're gonna push it in. And what you do, you get in my case 7/8. You put it right here, and you pull it that way. You push it that way and start turning, turning, and this is going to be push and push this pulley that way. All right, so you gotta do it like this. All right, you do it like this. I'm gonna push, and just to hold it, I had this vice grips, and it was holding it right over here. I put my feet right on top. This is not one of the most reglementary methods to do it, but I put this thing right over here and I start to push it that way, and this pulley start to get in there. This part right over here, I don't have nothing to hold this screw. I didn't want to use my power tool, but I believe if you had this baby already set up in your car, it's gonna be easy, just to, let me show you. You can put one of these, this is kind of square, so you put it right here instead this part. You put it right there, and this is gonna hold this screw right over here. So this is not gonna move, and you're gonna be able to tie it on. That way, this part is gonna push it that way, and the pulley is gonna be in. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to let you know that I did it this way. I'm gonna pause the video, and I'm gonna unscrew this, and I'm gonna show you how this part looks. Anyways, if I don't have enough space in my phone or something like that, you gotta excuse me. But I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna try to show you how this part is gonna look. How you're gonna set up that part to push it. But it's really easy. This is kind of like a screw that it comes from this kit. So you put this screw. This is gonna be screwed to the steering pump. Then you add the silver part, and you add this nut that it comes with the kit. All right, let me pause the video. Let me see if I can do it, and I talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All right, come back. All right, to remove this nut right over here, you know, I turn this to the other side, so this is going to be holding this nut. This nut is not going to move. And with this tool, I'm going to start turning and turning until this is going to be, I can unscrew this by hand. Alright, you see, this is the part that I show you. Take this away. Use my two hands to do this. Yep. All right, there you go. I take this away. You know, it was the one it was holding it. You can use one of these, you know. I don't know if this one is gonna be okay. This is not the right size, but you know, that's the whole idea. I think this is like 13 millimeters that you can put right over here, so it's gonna sit right there. If you do in your car, you do the same thing. All right. First part, second part. This is the one that it was pushing it, and I gotta take this. You see, I gotta use something. This is like a screw, so I gotta use something to undo this, to take this out. Let's see if I can do it with the vice grips. Ooh, it's hard to filming and doing this at the same time, guys. All right, I'm gonna pause the video, and I'm gonna use my two hands to do this. All right, let me see. I think maybe I can put the camera right here. Oh yeah. I hope that you can see. All right. So you see. So you first of all you screw this. You see this? It become flash. It can flash. So first of all, you put the pulley. You know, when you're gonna push it, you put the pulley. You put this tool right over here. Then you put this one. This is the one that you're gonna push. Then you're gonna put the nut. All right. Then you use one of these to, you know, to hold it right there, right in place, or the vice grips, wherever it's gonna hold this nut or this screw. It's not gonna move. Then you take your tool and you start turning it. All right, guys, you turn it. So, and this is gonna be pushing. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video is gonna help somebody. Have a great day. Do not smoke or use drugs.